Speaker, sir, the attention of the House is drawn to the plight of the people of Murmagaon constituency with regards to the new market complex at Headland Sada, built by Murmagaon Municipal Council, which is still non-functional, in spite of occupancy certificate issued in the year 2021. Auction of the shop has been done and even lease agreement have been signed with some of the successful bidder who are waiting to start the business. People fear that if the market complex does not start, then it may turn out to be a huge loss to the state exchequer money. Step government intend to take in this regard.
तर खरें म्हणजे ताज्या म्युन्सिपाल्टीन जो आहा पळय न्ही हो इनिशिएटीव घेवन कोणी आडयला डीएमए आडयता तुमीच इनिशिएटीव घेवन सुरू करा सांगा मरे
सर थंयसर प्रॉब्लेम कितें जाल्लो आसा थंय उदकाचें अजून ते कनेक्शन मेळना PWD कडेन तो इश्यू पडलेलो आसा तेजे बील पेंडिंग आसा सर तेज्या लागून ते अजून पर्यंत स्टार्ट जायना
बिल तेंच्यांनी भरपाचें म्युन्सिपाल्टीचें इट इज अ लोकल बॉडी
सर लास्ट टायम तेजे विशयाचेर आमी तुमचे कडेन उलयलो
तुमची तितकी ग्रँड जी आहा पळय न्हू तुमची तितकी मायनस करता बिलाची दिवपाची आनी तुमकां मागीर चालू करून दिता सांगता हांव.
Next.